Hello, in this tutorial, I will discuss if you can add Opal card to Google Wallet. So please watch till the end if you want to understand the video. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Google Wallet, as you can see, if I add something to my wallet, as you can see, the options only available is the Transit Pass, Loyalty, Gift Card, Payment Card, and Photo. And of course, we need to choose transit payment method since we want to add the Opal card. But unfortunately, if you click that, as you can see, if I scroll down, I will not find a Opal transit provider on the Google Wallet. So right now, apparently, I'm sad to say that you cannot add your Opal card to Google Wallet. But what you can do is that you can pay something from your Opal account using your Google Wallet bank account. But that is too much. By doing that, you just use your Google Wallet instead your Opal, and yeah, that's it. So apparently, you cannot add your Opal account or Opal wallet to Google Wallet, and that is very sad. But yeah, maybe in the future updates and further version of the Google Wallet, maybe you can add your Opal card. But apparently now you cannot. So yeah, that's it. That's your answer. And also that's it for this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.